Hi, I've just been asked whether you can make these pools off-grid, and so here we've got an example. I've got these two tanks set up. This was for a previous demonstration many years ago now, actually. There's a floating plant island in there, so that's our planted zone in here. And this is supposed to be our swim zone. And drawing water into the swim zone is a bubble pump. Yeah, but this one is fed via this solar panel, which is a 100-watt portable solar panel, and that's feeding into this little power bank, Anker power bank, and these outlets are capable of about 400 watts, but I'm only using, I think, 24. This one uses 24, I think, which is providing the circulation for this. So there we go, a little demonstration of a very simple solar setup.